Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer in Dungeon Defenders 2. To begin your cooperative adventure, simply navigate to the main menu and select the play option. From there, you can easily find and join other defenders or create your own session. Playing with friends or new allies enhances the fun and strategic depth of defending your lanes against waves of enemies. Get ready to team up and protect Etheria. Once you are in the play menu, you have two main options for multiplayer. You can choose Find Game to quickly join a public match with other players who are ready to defend. Alternatively, if you prefer to play with specific friends, select Create Game to host a private session. From there, you can easily invite up to 3 of your friends directly from your in-game list to join your defense. Effective teamwork is crucial for success in Dungeon Defenders 2 multiplayer. All loot and experience points are shared equally among your party, ensuring everyone benefits. Strategize with your teammates to combine different hero abilities and towers for maximum defensive power. For example, a strong aura builder paired with a powerful damage dealer can be incredibly effective. Remember to communicate your plans clearly to achieve victory. Playing multiplayer offers numerous advantages. You can take on much tougher challenges and maps that might be difficult to complete alone, leading to significantly better loot and experience gains. This cooperative approach often allows for faster progression through the game's content. Most importantly, it provides a more dynamic, social, and enjoyable experience as you work together with your friends to protect Etheria from the invading forces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.